And there we are again. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna change this showreel page. It doesn't show a showreel here right now, but well, actually, let me see whether it's here. This is online. Here is your showreel, and right now I have inserted this yeah, whatever, this kind of video here. And you have your photos page, of course. If you click one photo, it will nicely show up in a light box, and you have your contact form. And we're gonna adjust everything right now. Let's go back to our own website. So your showreel. All right, let me show you how you can do this. It's really easy. What you have to do is go to your own showreel page, and that's actually this one. Let me see it, and here it is. Just open it. This is my showreel, and you're gonna hear it's called share and embed. This will be, and then here there is a link, the source link, like this, and you're gonna copy it. See these two. Let me see if I can show it to you. These two, yeah, it's not brackets. It's I don't know what it's called. Just copy this. I'm sorry. Just take this one. It doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna go to the showreel page, and let me see where it is. You will find the link here, and here it is. Just paste it here and save it. All right. Now you will have your own showreel right there. Here is again your page header of your showreel page, which you can change, and this one is your subheader, and I will show you what it looks like right now. So here it is, showreel page header, and your sub header. You can also choose to get this one in the middle, but I'll show you later how you can do that. Right now we won't need this anymore. That was your showreel page. If you would like to have more showreels, you will have to copy this part, boom, like this, copy it, hit a couple of enters here, and paste it. Then what you will need to do here is 2 times like this to get an extra space in between. And to show you what it looks like right now, it will have a second showreel right here popping up. Right now it won't show, but if you're online, it will show. If you use Google Chrome to preview your page, it will also show. So maybe you better do that one, but I experienced that Firefox with my video recorder right now, that I'm recording my screen, that it works slightly faster than Google Chrome. So that's it. I'm gonna save this one again, and I'm gonna go to my contact page. Contact page actually doesn't require anything different. What you will have to do is go to your website folder and open this one, the send form email, and open it with Notepad. And then here at line 9, fill in your email address, which is for me PortfolioLeaf@gmail.com, and just save it, and that's it. Now this form that you have right here, if people fill in their first name, their subject, and their email address, which are all three required, and of course you require a message, they can optionally also present their telephone number. If they click send, this email or this message will be sent to your email address. There we go. So that's really easy. Contact page, we don't have to change anything unless you would like to say contact me or whatever. Send page is actually the send message. So this is the page that will show when people have clicked the send button on your contact page. And I have written here a default message. Thank you for your message. I will get in touch with you as soon as possible, but you can adjust this one. Just look up this text, you will find it. Last page is the photos page. Here is your photos header. Here is your subheader, headshots, and here are your photos. These are your photos. I will show you what it looks like right now. Your header, your subheader, and your photographs. Here is another subheader and another photograph, and if I click it, it should pop up in a light box. Really neat. What we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you where you can see the photos. Here is images, photos, headshot 1. This is the photo we'll actually present in the light box. Now here is a thumbnail, images, photos, thumbnails, headshot 1. And these are actually displayed in your website folder. Here it is, images. Now here's photos. And these are headshot 1, headshot 2, headshot 3. Here are your thumbnails. And these are headshot 1, headshot 2, headshot 3. So what we're gonna do is we would like to have one photo, for example, this one. Well, let's say I would like this one. I'm gonna copy it here, and I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna rename it into headshot 1. Now what I'm gonna do is, these are my thumbnails, but I need to go to my normal photographs. I'm gonna drag this one here and I'm gonna replace it. Yes, replace it please. Then what I would like to do is go to my links page on Portfolio Leaf links, and you will need, creating your thumbnails and header, you will need this website. I'm sorry, I'm gonna change this URL for you. Here, use the pixeler editor. And I'm gonna change the language for you right now. Create a new message, open a message image from your computer, and now select your website folder. I have here images, photos. I have my headshot 1. I'm gonna open it. Now you need one more thing, that's open an image. And inside your images folder, there's a thumbnail, and you need this one. Take this one, and now you see here layers, and just click and drag this layer up on top of your photo. Now here is the layers again. Keep this one selected, and image, which one? Edit, and choose free transform. Now hold the shift button and drag it so it will keep the same dimensions. I'm gonna do it like this, for example. I want this, and hit enter. Now click this little thumbnail while holding the control key, and now choose image and choose crop. Now deselect this layer by clicking this little thing here, like this, and I'm gonna go to image size now, image size, and you will not have to constrain proportions because you need to make this 120 and this 150 to work. Now click OK, and now save this file. Save it. Headshot 1, perfect. I'm gonna go for the 100% because I want it to look professional. It's 22 KB. If you want it smaller, of course, you can lower the quality. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna go to my thumbnails folder, and I'm gonna choose headshot 1 and save. Replace it? Yes, please. I would like to replace it because it's necessary for it to work. Now here it is. If I'm gonna go to my photos page and I'm gonna refresh it, here it is, and if I click it, it will show the full image. Now, as you see here, there's a title here, and I will show you how you can change this one. This is the title, data title, and for example, I have well, I want photography by, or I would like this is my casting headshot, for example. hit Control S to save, and we're gonna see if we're gonna change this up. There it shows, really nice. If you click it, people click it, right click, they can actually save it if it's online, of course. So if the photos don't show, you will have to give an alternative text, which is this one, casting headshot, that will show if the photos don't show up. You can leave it as well. So here you have headshot 1 to 8. You follow the same process to fill in the other images. Here you have another image, and this image 1. I'm just using one image, for example, and well, you can follow the same process, but this time, for example, I use this one. I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna name it image 1. Then these are thumbnails. I'm gonna go to photos and drag it into here. Replace it, yes please. And then follow the same procedure to get a thumbnail here. I'm gonna pause it right now to show you the end result that I created right now. The thing is, what I have to tell you is that if you use 4 shots, for example, just delete these. Delete them, and if you would like one more section, just copy this one, Control copy, and make a couple of enters. Make sure there's space in between these 2 sections, and then you can, for example, use this one, theater, and you will have to change this up. There's one thing you have to take care of, and that is this one, data lightbox image 1. These one have to be different numbers. Doesn't really matter which one, but they have to be different. If you make them the same number, you will actually, for example, I will just show you what is like if it's the same numbers. For example, the first 4. I'm going to save this. I'm going to refresh the browser, and I'm going to show you. You can go back and forth through these images. See? It's really neat actually, but if you would like to save them, you cannot save them. So people cannot save your images then. It's well, it's yeah, it's a drawback from using this program, but I think it looks really neat. And I'm gonna look whether I can find another lightbox maybe that can actually save images and also display them in a row. For now, we'll have to do it with this. I'm gonna pause the video now and take care that everything is set up like I want it. And then we're actually done with our page, and we can tweak and twist our website into something we really like. So let's meet up in the next video.